Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing the few exercises for class 7th respiration. Respiration in human. See, put a tick against the most appropriate alternative in the following state. In humans, taken in of the air through nostrils into the nasal cavity is called inhalation, exhalation, cellular respiration, internal. The correct option is inhalation. The front opening of the windpipe is guarded by glottis, exoglottis, epiglottis, trachea. The correct option is epiglottis. The respiratory organs of fishes are called operculum, spiracles, trachea, gills. They are called gills is the correct option. The respiratory organs of insects are known as gills, alveoli, lungs, trachea. The correct option is trachea. The process during which food is oxidized and energy is released is called cellular respiration. Answer briefly. Why do our body cells require oxygen? See, our body cells require oxygen to oxidize glucose to release energy. In our body, food is stored in the form of glucose. When glucose is oxidized, then only the energy is released. So, our body cells need oxygen to oxidize the reserve food material present in our body in the form of glucose. I hope you are able to get it. What is the difference between breathing and respiration? Breathing is a physical process. During the breathing, exchange of gases from the atmosphere into the lungs is breathing. It is a physical process. And respiration is a biochemical. Respiration from the lungs, oxygen is taken to the each and every cell of the body with the blood combined with the hemoglobin. And then it reaches to the cell, and the cell mitochondria is present. These mitochondria, the respiration occurs, and formation of ATP molecules occurs in the they store the energy released by the process, and carbon dioxide is given out. That carbon dioxide again combines with the hemoglobin and comes back into the lungs. Name the byproduct formed during the oxidation of food. The byproduct formed when oxidation, glucose in presence of oxygen, it breaks down byproduct carbon dioxide, water, and energy. In aerobic respiration, 38 ATP molecules of energy is released. What is the breathing rate in a normal resting adult person? Normal resting adult person, 16 times per minute. What it is? It is 16 times per minute. Name the agency which transport oxygen, which transport hemoglobin transports oxygen present in the blood, transport oxygen to each and every cell of the body. It transport. What is the role of epiglottis during swallowing? The epiglottis, it closes the windpipe at the time of swallowing the food so that food does not enter into the windpipe and it goes in the food pipe. Otherwise, always food pipe remain closed. Otherwise, air goes on entering. So food pipe, it only opens when we engulf the food. जब हम खाने को अंदर लेते हैं तब जो है ये होता है. Name the gas which is expelled out during expiration and where it normally originally produces. See, carbon dioxide is exhaled out and it is produced in each and every cell of the body. Differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic. Write the overall chemical reaction to coins of respiration. See, aerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of. During aerobic respiration, complete oxidation of food takes place. In anaerobic respiration, incomplete oxidation of food takes place. Aerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide, water, energy. And in anaerobic respiration, end product are ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide, energy. In case of animals, in place of ethyl alcohol, lactic acid is formed. Lower animals, carbon. In case of aerobic respiration, 38 ATP molecules of the energy is released, whereas in case of anaerobic respiration, 2 ATP molecules of the energy is released, right? The reaction you can see here, C6H12O2 plus 6O2, it gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy, 38 ATP. Whereas in case of anaerobic respiration, C6H12O6, that is the glucose, absence of oxygen, 2C2H5 or ethyl alcohol plus 2 molecules of ethyl alcohol, 2 molecules of carbon energy, and very little amount of energy is released over there. That is only 2 ATP molecule. Name the following. Respiratory process in which oxygen is not utilized, that is anaerobic respiration. Respiratory process in which oxygen is utilized, it is aerobic respiration. The microscopic air sacs of the lungs, they are the alveoli. Two membrane which protect the lungs, it is the pleural membrane, outer pleural membrane, and the inner pleural membrane. And in between through two pleural membranes, pleural fluid is filled. It protects the lungs from the external shocks and injuries. Minute pores on the sides of the insect with the body, it is the respiration. Right? Do the plants respire all day and night or only? Yes, the plants respire all day and night. What happens to the energy liberated during respiration? Energy, it is stored in the form of ATP molecule. Name the respiratory organs of the skin lining of the mouth and lungs. One more question is here, that is, describe in brief functions of rib muscles and diaphragm in breathing. Now see, during inhaling, the ribs are attached with the intercostal muscle. So when the intercostal muscles contract, lifting the ribs upwards and outward. देखिए जब आप सांस लेते हैं तो देखिए रिब्स बाहर निकलती हैं और ऊपर आती हैं. एंड डायफ्राम मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड द डायफ्राम फ्लैट है. डायफ्राम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है और फ्लैट होता है. इससे क्या होता है? इट रिजल्ट्स इन इंक्रीज इन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ थोरेसिक कैविटी. जब थोरेसिक कैविटी का वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है, जब वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगा तो प्रेशर कम होगा. प्रेशर कम होगा तो अंदर का प्रेशर कम होगा. एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर बढ़ेगा और उससे क्या है? एयर इज ड्रॉन इनटू द लंग. एक्सेलिंग में क्या होता है? इंटरकोस्टल मसल्स रिलैक्स होती हैं. रिब्स ड्रॉप डाउनवर्ड्स एंड इनवर्ड्स, मतलब नीचे जाती हैं और अंदर की तरफ खींचती हैं. और डायफ्राम मसल्स रिलैक्स एंड इट रिटर्न्स टू द रेस्टिंग पोजीशन. इससे क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम जो है थोरेसिक कैविटी का कम होता है. जब वॉल्यूम कम होगा तो प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा. जब प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा तो एयर इज फोर्स्ड आउट ऑफ द, तो एयर जो है अंदर से बाहर की तरफ आती है. आई होप everything is clear. You don't have any doubt so far. Now just see the differences here, what you have got it here. Photosynthesis and respiration. Now see, photosynthesis and respiration, look at here. Food is synthesized in food. Carbon dioxide and water combine in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and they gives rise to the glucose and oxygen is released. और उसी का रिवर्स रिएक्शन रेस्पिरेशन है. फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन in presence of oxygen giving carbon dioxide and water, and energy is formed in the form of ATP molecule. Oxygen is released as a bio, here carbon dioxide is released as a bio. It occurs in cells containing, means green cells containing chlorophyll in plants, they photosynthesize. Here respiration, it occurs all cells of the plants as well as the animals also. Photosynthesis in presence of sunlight, so it occurs only during the day, whereas respiration, it occurs both during the day as well as in the night. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.